Hi everyone, this video is to suggest a way to have relief from tinnitus or tinnitus, and my suggestion is that you look into finding some sort of powerful natural scent that you can put on the outside of your ear, like inside the entrance, but just on the outside where your brain is picking up that frequency of that scent, because the sound that is going on in people's heads can be overpowering and really, it can drive some people crazy. I have it, and I've had it for quite a few years, but I don't let it bother me. But sometimes I find some relief. One way to find some relief is to press with the palms of your hands on your ear and kind of press so that there is, like a massage. You're massaging, and that sensation will, when you take your hands away, you can tell it, you feel that the tinnitus is not there, but it comes back. It's not permanent. But maybe if you did it frequently, a lot, you can also use your thumbs to press, but it's sort of a massaging action that goes way inside your head. The other thing is, okay, look at all these sites here: vibration, theory of olfaction, frequency of touch, taste, and scent, osmic frequency. So I just have this idea that these powerful scents, like I used oregano oil, which is so powerful. You can even help cure cavities and things with oregano. But if you put it in your mouth, it's not really meant to go in your mouth, but if you put it in your mouth, you have to dilute it with some other oil, like coconut oil or olive oil, like 1 to 8, something like that. And otherwise it will burn your mouth. Seriously. It will burn your lips, burn your mouth, and it's too hard to take. But you can just find the right balance. But when you think about this, look, quantum mechanics may explain how humans smell. It goes into your brain, the brain sense, the science of the senses and frequencies. So we have all these negative frequencies, right? Microwaves, ELFs, extremely low frequencies, and all this sort of stuff. And these super powerful, what is this? Shape theory of olfaction. These powerful oils, like oregano, I bought it in Hong Kong, and they didn't understand me until I said oregano. Then oh yeah, we have it. So if you put it on your skin somewhere in a small spot, you can feel it go throughout your whole body. And this is what God has provided for us, and they can counter these horrible other frequencies that are man-made frequencies. And you got to do some searching and find the right one for you, and ask the Holy Spirit, because the kingdom of heaven is within you. You have the answers. The Holy Spirit will tell you everything that you need to know. So, and just consider this, these frequencies of these powerful scents. And I did read that if you put rub garlic on the bottom of your feet, later you will taste it in your mouth. And it's the same way with some of these other scents from, essential oils. You can taste it in your mouth sometimes. Even some over-the-counter, like mentholatum. Okay, think about that. That's a classic one. It's just all the same, but maybe the more pure ones you get work better. But honestly, I felt that the tinnitus receded. It went in the background, and I felt a great relief. So I'm also taking calcium and vitamin C and a good vitamin pill, because I haven't been doing that recently. And this is where I bought my essential oils. I bought them at this place in Hong Kong. Here it is. It's raw material. I don't know why their website is messed up here, but it's raw materials for cosmetics. And here are people that make their own cosmetics, I guess, and they get a lot of their stuff from this company. And it's so fantastic. So, pure essential oils. Okay, let me show you. I got some bottles of this. I got clove, oregano, sweet almond oil, and so, you know, these oils are for mental and physical body decontamination and treatments. It's from the essence of plants. I'll put the link for this down below so you can see, you know, I mean, it's just such a great healing, skin curative effect. Okay, and then you mix these things a little bit because they have to be diluted. And they have so many. So frankincense and myrrh, you know, that's what the Magi took to baby Jesus. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And here are all the other ones. They don't even have oregano listed on here, but it's pretty amazing. Lemon. Lemon, and then they have warnings here. And some of these things will keep away mosquitoes and bugs in your house. And it's a lot to learn. Look, clove is a good painkiller. Toothache. It is antibiotic, has purification function. Okay, so they do have warnings here. You have to use this stuff very sparingly. So just wanted to show you this and give you the suggestion. If you're suffering from something, you can find one of these maybe local near your house, some sort of plant that is local near where you're from, because that may be the one for you. Also, something I am taking, I just started this because I read about it and I'm kind of convinced, and that is for borax. Okay, borax powder. Okay, borax is it's a natural chemical. Natural, comes from the earth. And I've been to Boron, California, which is a boring place. It's pretty horrible. But you put a tiny, tiny, tiny smidgen of that in water. Some people say 1/8 of a teaspoon, but I put less than that. I put like 1/16 in one of those big bottles of water. Look, this looks like the Hong Kong place. Yes. So this is where I go, and I got the borax there. And a lot of people do not use this for taking internally, and they will tell you it's for cleaning only. Okay. Another thing that I use is I put curry powder. I used to put turmeric on everything, but now I use curry powder because it has turmeric and it's just what I had on hand. So I put a little bit of curry, not enough so that you can taste it. Oh, look at this. Oh, what happened? Okay, this is one of my favorite foods. But I'm sure this has no food value. It's just like pounded sheets of rice that they roll up, and they put all this soy sauce on it, and they also put some sesame sauce on it or peanut sauce, and it is so delicious. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you. Borax can get rid of fluoride, supposedly. You have to research this too. Lots and lots of videos about that on YouTube. So here is the theory of olfaction, the vibrational theory of olfaction, or vibration. Okay, I want to show you this this photo down here about your brain and the limbic system. What is the sensitivity and frequency? Okay, so do you get how this could, you know how vibrations can cancel each other out? So if you have tinnitus and you put something like right around your ear on the outside so that it can flow in, not just through your nose, because if you put it around your ear, it's going to go and spread anyway, and it can cancel and give you some relief from tinnitus. But those flowery perfumes are, you know, it's better a more astringent, more of an astringent, powerful frequency to cancel out that tinnitus. It's just a theory, but I feel good. But I'm also taking, like I mentioned, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin D, magnesium, things like that, because I was starting to feel kind of invisible. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, fragrance alchemy, I don't know. Pure Egyptian fragrant oils. There must be something to those oils. So, the secret of scent. There's so much I don't know. Adventures in perfume and the science of smell. That looks really good. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. And so stay open-minded and do some searching. This looks like cinnamon, all these smells. You know when things smell good? That is a powerful healing thing. And massage is good because massage releases not just bad things in your cells, but it also releases nutrients into the bloodstream and into, like, I was reading how massaging your gums releases the nutrients into the teeth, and how Americans and the whole dentistry field is all so wrong. They're so all off, and they just keep promoting the same thing over and over. So I have to say I'm going to a regular dentist when I go, but aromatherapy, I'm sort of behind in getting in on this, you know. Okay, aromatherapy's power. Of the five senses, the sense of smell is 1,000 times more powerful, with a direct line to the center of your brain. The brain's ability to sort out the complex chemicals of an odor is immediate. Fear, fire, decay, body odor, safety, physical reactions, citrus, salivate, cinnamon. Okay, sugar, insects, this all makes so much sense. So consider this for tinnitus, you know, and a lot of other things. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all with the truth and health. Cloves. I bought clove oil, and I really like it. That is great in your mouth, but you also have to be careful about that one because it can burn your mouth too, but you can almost use that directly. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Be safe and feel good. Bye for now.